We had a nice early morning wake up at 5 and 5:30. So we're feeling really rested today. You guys enjoyed my week of dinners video so much that I thought I would do a breakfast edition. Actually, someone did request this video in the comments, so we're doing it for you, and I hope you appreciate it because it's really hard to film first thing in the morning. And these kids eat as soon as they wake up. You gonna help mommy?
Yeah.
And what are we gonna make when we've had no sleep? Pancakes.
Yes.
Pancakes. Thank you, Oakley. This is from mommy's fake coffee. If only this had real caffeine in it. I've been really into iced herbal coffee lately. It's so good. Here you go, peel it. We're actually making my pancake recipe from my cookbook. They're my gluten-free fluffy pancakes. Oh, good. We're gonna mash it. Mash it. So we're gonna add all of our wet ingredients. I am using just regular organic all-purpose flour instead of brown rice flour because that's what we have. But otherwise, we have everything to make these. Mix it. We want them extra fluffy. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Do you want blueberries?
The blueberry. I can eat the blueberry.
You eat those. I may regret this.
No.
Can I get your face?
No.
No? Okay. He's actually been pretty clean with them lately. We're also gonna do some breakfast sausages in the oven. And what I love most about this pancake recipe is that you can meal prep a bunch of them and then just store them in the freezer. And then come the morning, you just pop them in the toaster and you're done. So we're meal prepping right now because I'm not making pancakes on a Monday morning just for fun.
Yeah.
They're that good, huh? Well, RIP to these jammies. There we go. Woo, look at those, perfect. Oh, I spoke too soon. No, okay, hang on, we gotta put breakfast sausages. You wanna help? Look, we're gonna put them on the pan. You know, we gotta get these in the oven. You can get these in the oven. Put a timer, I told you guys, I live by the timers. This is where it starts to get a little chaotic. Sage wanted chocolate pancakes. No, we're not doing chocolate chips. These are chocolate. You're not getting double chocolate pancakes first thing in the morning, girl. Everyone's always like, how do you stay so calm when your kids are like chaotic in the morning? It's just like,
all of these ones.
I don't know, like tune it out, I guess. And like try not to take it personally.
Mom.
Yes? No, the timer has to go off. Oh, we gotta flip these because they're burning. Okay, ready?
Like that. Oh, it's my pancakes. It's okay. You look great, Mama.
Oh.
Hurry. That's good.
A little crispy. Being a mom is being overstimulated to the max. You just have to accept it. Hey. I got it. This guy's putting magnet tiles. Here you go. Let's plate. Raspberries.
What?
There you go. Oh. What's wrong? Okay, it's hot.
10 raspberries.
Okay, here. These are hot.
Mine. No, my pancakes.
Wow, big boy. Okay, look, you're gonna even get a knife. There you go. So for myself, I'm gonna do some scrambled eggs on the side. I actually don't feel like pancakes this morning. I'm just gonna do a little protein, a little avocado toast, and cottage cheese. I'll show you guys what my breakfast looks like for each morning throughout the week, because I don't always eat the same thing that the kids are eating, and sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but just in case you're curious, what I'm having, scrambled eggs, because I need my protein. And Sage is also having some eggs. She asked for a hard-boiled egg, so I got that cooking as well. Oakley's on his 4th sausage. You want another sausage? How do they fit? Wow. Ooh. No, that's good. Ooh, those are peppery. Good morning. Let's go get Mr. Oakley from bed. He's up. Blue light. Mommy, come get you when the blue light is on. You slept all night. Yeah, he's been sleeping so good. I slept all night too. Yeah, high five. Yeah. Honestly, adding the toddler clock has changed our mornings. I'm gonna do a whole video on it. You wanna have some Milky?
Yeah.
Yeah. Matt's downstairs with the kids, so I'm just taking some time to quickly get ready before I start the day. I have to say, I genuinely do not know what I was wearing before I discovered these bras. These are from Skims, and they are sponsoring today's video. It's from the Fits Everybody collection. I have the triangle bra, I have the scoop, I have their underwear. Like, everything from that line fits like a second layer of skin. So comfortable, it's stretchy, it's buttery, it washes well, and it doesn't stretch out and lose its shape over time. Trust me, it's all I've worn in the last year. Now, normally I go for the bralettes that are wireless, but today I'm wearing the Fits Everybody Lace Unlined Scoop Bra in the color Onx. This one has a thin underwire, so it gives a little bit of a lift, but doesn't have the padding and the push-up, so I love that it still feels natural and super comfortable. It gives me a little shape and structure without feeling too stiff, which I really appreciate. And I'm not gonna lie, it's the first bra that I've worn in a while that I actually have to figure out like the letters and the numbers. Up until this point, I've just been in the small, medium, large category because it's like every day I'm a different size, but I feel like my body is regulating a little bit more, and I'm ready to join the regular bra committee. I also got the matching Fits Everybody Lace Tanga in Onx. One of my biggest pet peeves with underwear is when it loses shape. This one stays put and lays nicely on the body. It really feels like a second layer of skin. A little bit more cheeky than I normally go for, but I think they're really cute and I love the matching set. After having kids and breastfeeding for a very long time, my body has changed so much, and I just want to feel comfortable and confident in what I'm wearing down to my underwear. You can shop my favorite bras and underwears at skims.com/healthnut. I'm gonna have a link down below. After you place your order, be sure to let them know I sent you. Select YouTube in the survey, and then in the drop down menu, select my channel. I'm gonna have everything down below for you guys. Thank you again to Skims for sponsoring today's video. Let's go make breakfast. My kids put through their breakfast requested last night.
Some eggy fish and chicken.
I'll translate on the screen.
Eggy fish.
Yeah, are you hungry?
And sausage.
What? This is the only way my 2-year-old will eat eggs, if we make it into a thin omelet and cut it into strips with a pizza cutter. The only way. And you have to mix the egg white and yolk perfectly. Okay, you can do it. Okay, stand up. He's like at the age where he's like, let me do it. It's only really been recently that both my kids, woo!
Now.
Yeah, in here. And then we use both hands and we just crush it. Okay, and then my 5-year-old likes hard-boiled eggs. You want both? She calls them oval eggs, and she likes a little sea salt on it. She only eats the egg white, leaves the yolk. It's funny, but if she's gonna eat one of them, I would rather it be the egg white.
I can do it.
Okay, you could do it. Mix. Everything's I can do it. I can do it. Okay, whisk like this. Mix, mix.
I
Mix.
can do it.
Okay, do you want to put cheese in it? Back and forth, back and forth. Give them a good whisk. This is just like a good go-to. Like, my kids love bacon. I wish it wasn't like $1 a strip. It's actually crazy. Or maybe we can do some avocado toast. Yeah. When it comes to their meals, I'm looking for a protein, a carb, healthy fats, and some fruit. Okay, clean that up. Thank you, Oakley. And that's how you make eggy strips. I need to know if you are the type of person, when you're making avocado toast or even putting peanut butter on your toast, do you butter your toast before putting on the other topping? I used to make fun of Matt, but he'd be like, it softens the bread, it like gives it more flavor. I would think, why are you putting like a fat on a fat kind of thing? Like, the avocado is creamy enough, but like, he's kind of right. It tastes better. So I've been doing it now. Don't tell him, because I've bugged him for years about it. Kids are singing, nothing can stop us now. We haven't told them, but we may or may not be going somewhere this weekend. Oh, my eggs. Hang on, I got, save this eggs boiling. I got another batch of eggy strips, because you can't do them too thick or the kids also won't like. Why are toddlers so picky? So I think we're gonna do some mashed avocado. I have like questionable, no. Matt's like, there's some open avocado in the fridge. I'll put that one on yours. You don't want avocado today. You know what? I think I'll just do like jam for Sage and then butter or peanut butter for Oakley. Good call on the jelly. Okay, I got butter and jam toast, bacon, sauteed mushrooms. I had a bunch in the fridge I had to use. This is the Sumo oranges that are so good, I'm obsessed with, and just a couple eggs for extra protein. Mushrooms for breakfast are such a good combo. Kids are fighting. They were calm? No, they're not. Who wants to make smoothies?
Me.
What kind of smoothie do you want to make?
Pink smoothie.
Green?
Yeah. Pink.
That's the energy I want. Everyone slept good last night. We're gonna do an easy breakfast.
Can we do pink
Smoothies.
first?
Bananas, blueberries. This is a mix of cherries and berries.
Mama, I'm hungry.
Banana is gonna help make it really yummy and smooth. That looks good.
This many.
Okay, there you go.
This many.
Okay.
This many. Whoa, them.
Who wants mango?
Me.
Okay.
How will that make it?
Sweet and creamy.
Yum. Maybe two.
Oh, put that in.
Oops.
You wanna put the lid back on? That's enough. Okay, Oakley, you want honey? Oh, okay, Oakley does it. So peanut butter will make it nutty and creamy.
That's enough for me.
Okay, and Sage just a little bit.
I found this.
That's good. Okay, blueberries.
Oh, I'm a boy.
Okay, I'll put some in a bowl. How much, Sage? Just that?
A little
More?
Oh, what's in that?
I'll put some in a bowl. Okay. Okay, here, I'll put them here. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. You just don't want to be shushed. Okay, there you go. Oh, here. Oh, okay. Okay. Look, there's a big one there. There's a big one there. Who wants strawberries?
Me.
A bag of goodies, because there's a bunch of mixed. Okay, cherries. Okay, put those in there.
I'm sorry. But I don't want to hear so loud. What's that? It might be a little.
No, this is for mine. This is for mine. Okay, eat yours. Eat your blueberries. I'm gonna get the lid on.
Is that mine?
It's not that loud. Oh. Look at her. Dishwasher's on. I'm gonna have my breakfast now and then do a quick workout, and then we're gonna actually head out for the day because I feel like we've been home a lot this week. So we're gonna take the kids to the mall, which is always might not be a good idea, but it's cloudy today, so we figure like we'll get some steps in and just do a little shopping. When I'm sick of scrambled eggs, I will add in things like peppers and onions. This was like a frozen mix I got at Trader Joe's, and then some breakfast sausage. I just like crumbled it up in there and it levels it up. You can also put it in a wrap if you want, but I just have a side of avocado and some mangoes. So I like to have some fruit on the side of my breakfast. And the fruit here is so good. Okay. Herbal coffee. Let's eat, work out, head to the mall. Good morning. It's another day of no sleep. it's not one child, it's both of them. One's waking up in the night, coming into our bed. The other one, I don't know why he woke up so early. We did all the things yesterday and still he just woke up at 5:30 and yeah, anyways, they're happy right now, so I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna do all my wellness things right now because mommy's tired and we have a busy weekend coming up and I don't wanna get sick, so. One thing I've been doing is the olive oil trend, basically salad dressing, and it's really refreshing with the lemon. It's apparently anti-inflammatory, good for your skin. I think it has like polyphenols. I don't know if I said that right. Bottoms up. Oh, that was a lot of lemon juice. Oh, my fiber supplement. I'm telling you, if you need to be more regular, psyllium husk. It's the best. Honestly, most of us are just not getting enough fiber, so psyllium husk is the way to go. It's not the most pleasant thing, but it does work. Bottoms up. This looks like toilet water. All right, we're gonna do easy peasy yogurt bowls today. Sage, you want a hard-boiled egg, you said? Okay. You know what, I might do that too on the side of mine. I always like to have the water boiling first and then drop them in and put a timer on. You get the perfect boiled egg. So I'm gonna do this for about 9 minutes. Oakley's been working on his cutting skills. Good job. Okay, go put all the banana in there. Do you want more yogurt, Oakley? Granola? Put banana, raspberries, strawberries. Put those in there. I find anytime I let them do it themselves, they're way more likely to add more things in, to eat it after. So it's also fun for them. Like,
Not honey.
you need more honey. Oh, yogurt for mom. Okay. He loves his honey. Okay. For the granola, this is just a leftover one I made back in Canada. It's my buckwheat cluster one from my allergy-friendly cookbook, but I swapped out the sunflower butter for peanut butter and added some extra nuts and stuff. I like to use what I have, but you can obviously use a store-bought version. We're just using that, and I just crumble it up smaller for him in the food processor. Granola is a great spot to get in that extra fiber and protein. There you go. Wow, good job. And adds like a nice crunchy texture. And we're using plain Greek unsweetened yogurt, A, so we can control the sweetness of it, but also B, it's high in protein. Okay, and I got some hard-boiled eggs for me, Chloe, and Sage.